Imagine this. Every morning, someone places a big, ugly frog on your desk. You hate the look of it. You dread eating it. If you do eat it, your whole day gets easier. That's the metaphor behind Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. No nonsense. Action-packed guide to beating procrastination, managing your time, and getting the most important stuff done. Fast. This episode is for anyone who feels overwhelmed by their to-do list, stuck in cycles of procrastination, or just wants to win the day every day. The big idea. At its core, Eat That Frog is built on one transformational truth. If you have to eat a frog, do it first thing in the morning. No. And if you have to eat 2 frogs, eat the ugliest one first. Your frog is your most valuable task, the one that moves the needle the most. It's usually the one you're avoiding. Brian Tracy says that successful people are unborn with more willpower, they just decide to eat their frogs consistently. This book offers 21 tools and techniques to help you do that. The 21 Productivity Principles. 1. Set the table. Clarity is power. Write down your goals. Know what success looks like in every area of your life. 2. Plan every day in advance. Use lists. Prepare the night before. Planning gives you control and saves time. 3. Apply the 80-20th rule to everything. Focus on the few tasks that create the most results. Eliminate or delegate the rest. 4. Consider the consequences. Ask yourself, what will this cost me if I don't do it? Future impact drives present action. 5. Practice creative procrastination. You can't do everything. Learn to intentionally procrastinate on the unimportant. 6. Use the ABCDE method. Label tasks. A equals must do, B equals should do, C equals nice to do, D equals delegate, E equals eliminate. Only start with a 7. Focus on key result areas. Identify your most critical responsibilities. The things you're paid to do on sharpen those skills. 8. Apply the law of 3. Figure out the top 3 things you do that contribute 90% of your results. Focus there. 9. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. Eliminate all excuses. Set your workspace, gather materials, and prime yourself for action. 10. Take it one oil barrel at a time. Tackle big tasks by breaking them into small, manageable pieces. Just focus on the next step. 11. Upgrade your key skills. Never stop learning. Improving your ability builds confidence and eliminates fear. 12. Leverage your special talents. Do more of what you're naturally good at. Find your unique strength zone. 13. Identify your key constraints. What's slowing you down? Address your bottlenecks before anything else. 14. Put the pressure on yourself. Winners set high personal standards. Be your own motivator. 15. Maximize your personal powers. Pay attention to your energy. Eat well, sleep well, rest, and recharge. 16. Motivate yourself into action. Use affirmations. Visualize success. Your internal dialogue determines your external performance. 17. Get out of the technological time sinks. Limit distractions. Don't let social media or email control your time. 18. Slice and dice the task. Break tasks down into bite-sized pieces. Progress creates momentum. 19. Create large chunks of time. Block out deep work sessions. No multitasking. 20. Develop a sense of urgency. Move fast. Start now. Momentum is the secret weapon of high achievers. 21. Single-handle every task. Once you start your most important task, don't stop until it's done. Practical application. You don't need to master all 21 principles at once. Just start with 1. Identify your frog and eat it first. Block off your morning. Turn off notifications. Set a timer. Take one deep breath and just start. Action fuels clarity. Progress fuels motivation. Final takeaway. 45 minutes and 0 seconds to 50 minutes and 0 seconds. You don't need more time. You need better priorities. Everyday life gives you frogs. You can ignore them, avoid them, or complain about them. Or you can eat the damn frog and unlock the life you're aiming for. As Brian Tracy puts it, Your ability to concentrate single-mindedly on one task at a time is the key to success, achievement, respect, status, and happiness. So ask yourself, what's the frog you've been avoiding? Tomorrow morning, eat it first, then ... Go change the world.